Hey y'all, my name is Lindsay and this is typically my sewing blog, Thistle and Stitches, but today I have something to open. It is 2 weeks until The Summer I Turned Pretty Season 3 comes out and I am so ready. I feel like with the actor strike and then the writer strike and how long it took for this final season, I have just been like waiting so long now that I just like have not been able to think of anything else, and I feel a little silly. But American Eagle did a collaboration with The Summer I Turned Pretty, and I don't usually buy too much ready to wear. I buy enough for my everyday job, which I haven't bought for in a long time, and I mean every so often I get a new t-shirt. So I might have splurged a little bit, but the good thing about this is that my preteen daughter is also into the show and she has already taken to stealing my clothes, so she will be able to wear these with me, so they will be very well loved. The first thing that I got was a Whale of a Tale bookshop, Cousins Beach, Massachusetts. And then I got the regular Cousins Beach in gray. Oh, these are cute. I got these blue daisy shorts. I'm really into the boxer trend, so I thought that these were so cute. Plus, the Summer I Turned Pretty tag was too cute. No pockets though. And then I had to get my Team Conrad shirt. And then we really love jackets and sweaters in this household. So this is the Whale of the Tail sweater, and it has the little logo on front and then the big one on the back. And that is the Cousins Beach one. Okay, so I'm gonna try these on really quick. I grabbed a medium in nearly everything because I thought it would be perfect for me and then a little oversized for my daughter. And that is it on my American Eagle haul. I may have gone a little overboard, but it is our last summer together at Cousins, so I had to just do what I could to show my support and my love for this messy, messy teenage show. So I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see y'all later.